I'm started unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Very nice looking. Now what we're going to have to do is, I think they have the instructions. More than likely it'll probably be charge up first kind of deal. Let's see what it says. They're nice looking. They also come with additional earbuds, a charge cord, and another what looks to be a rubber bumper for protection. Okay, pretty straightforward manual. I'm not seeing a quick start guide. It might still be in here. Usually it's nice to have a quick start guide if you can do it. Ah, fantastic. Samsung doesn't disappoint. All right, we'll go ahead and crank that open and insert them and connect the power and charge. Nice. They can also be charging simultaneous using a wireless charger, and it has a built-in charging coil. So we'll go ahead and do that and then come back later. Thanks.